I'm about to prepare a combination brake, but I'm speeding it up to show you something. Some think combo brakes are difficult because they've heard this and heard that online. Some say you have to flex the glass or apply heat and pressure from the inside of the vehicle. Yes, those can be helpful, but check me out. I've got a good seal without applying excessive pressure to the brake because I properly set my bridge and injector. I made sure the resin got to the bottom of the injector barrel. I made sure the glass temperature was between 21 and 37 degrees Celsius. The closer to 37, the better you are. Most important of all, I'm taking my time going in between pressure and vacuum cycles, and I'm letting the resin flow into the brake. As you can see, if you take your time and don't rush, you'll get good results. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.